Hello everyone, welcome to the session of Fuzzy Set Theory Part 2. This is Swati Nikam, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities and Sciences, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. At the end of this session, student can able to understand the concept of fuzzy sets and some basic definitions related to fuzzy set. Let us see some basic definitions. Height of fuzzy set. The height of fuzzy set A is the supremum of the membership grades of elements in A. That is, height of A is equal to h of A is equal to supremum of A of x, where x belongs to capital X. Now, let us see another concept of normal fuzzy set. A fuzzy set A is normal if there exists x belongs to capital X such that mu A at x is equal to 1. That is, height of A is equal to 1. So, in short, the membership gradation related to the element is equal to 1. Now, another concept is subnormal fuzzy set. If height of a fuzzy set is less than 1, then the set is called as subnormal fuzzy set. That is, height of A is less than 1. For example, if capital X is equal to x1, x2, x3, x4 is the collection of 4 elements, and A and B are two discrete fuzzy sets defined on capital X such that A is equal to 0.5 by x1 plus 0.3 by x2 plus 0.4 by x3 plus 0.7 by x4, and capital B is equal to 0.9 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus 0.1 by x3 plus 0.6 by x4. Then height of A is equal to supremum of A of x, where x belongs to capital X is 0.7, and height of B is equal to supremum of B of x, where x belongs to capital X and that is equal to 1. Then A is subnormal fuzzy set and B is normal fuzzy set. Let's move towards the next concept. It is support of fuzzy set. The support of fuzzy set A is the crisp subset of X whose elements all have non-zero membership grades. Support of A is equal to those X such that membership gradation mu A at X is greater than 0. For example, if capital X is given by the set x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and A is a discrete fuzzy set defined on X such that A is equal to 0.1 by x1 plus 0.2 by x2 plus 0 by x3 plus 0.5 by x4 plus 0.9 by x5. Then support of A is equal to x1, x2, x4 and x5. We have to eliminate x3 since it has gradation 0. Now, the another concept is core of a fuzzy set. The core of fuzzy set A is a crisp subset of X consisting of all elements with membership grades equal to 1. So, core of A is those X such that membership grade mu A at X is equal to 1. For example, if capital X is the set x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and A is a discrete fuzzy set defined on capital X such that A is equal to 0.2 by x1 plus 0.3 by x2 plus 0 by x3 plus 1 by x4 plus 0.9 by x5, then core of A is x4 since x4 has membership gradation 1. Friends, please pause your video for a minute and define cardinality of a classical set. I hope you have given your answer. So, cardinality of a classical set is the total number of elements present in that set. Now, let's see the scalar cardinality of fuzzy set. scalar cardinality of fuzzy set is defined as the sum of the membership degrees. If A is a fuzzy set defined on X, then scalar cardinality of fuzzy set is denoted by mod A, and it is defined as mod A is equal to summation runs over X belongs to capital A mu AX. For example, let capital X is equal to x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 be the set, universal set, and capital A is the discrete fuzzy set defined on capital X, such that A is equal to 0.2 by x1 plus 0.3 by x2 plus 0 by x3 plus 1 by x4 plus 0.9 by x5. Then mod A is equal to, let us add all the membership grade present over here, that is 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0.9, that is 2.4. So scalar cardinality of fuzzy set A is 2.4. We'll see the another concept, that is complement of fuzzy set. Let A be the fuzzy set in X. The complement of A is a fuzzy set denoted A bar, such that for each X belongs to X, mu A bar of X is equal to 1 minus mu A. Let capital X is equal to a set x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 be the universal set, and A is a discrete fuzzy set defined on X, such that A is equal to 0.4 by x1 plus 0.1 by x2 plus 0 by x3 plus 1 by x4 plus 0.8 by x5. Then mu A bar of x1 is equal to 1 minus mu A of x1, which is 1 minus 0.4 is equal to 0.6. Mu A bar of x2 is equal to 1 minus mu A of x2 is equal to 1 minus 0.1 is equal to 0.9. Mu A bar of x3 is equal to 1 minus mu A of x3, that is 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Then mu A bar of x4 is equal to 1 minus mu A of x4 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Mu A bar of x5 is equal to 1 minus mu A of x5, that is 1 minus 0.8 is equal to 0.2. Hence, A bar complement of A is given as 0.6 by A1 plus 0.9 by x2 plus 1 by x3 plus 0 by x4 plus 0.2 by x5. Let us see subset of fuzzy set. Let capital X be the universal set. A and B are fuzzy sets defined on X. Set A is said to be subset of B if mu A at X is less than or equal to mu B at X for every X belongs to capital X, and it is denoted by A is subset of B. For example, if X universal set is given by x1, x2, x3 and x4, and A and B are two discrete fuzzy sets defined on X such that set A is equal to 0.1 by x1 plus 0.3 by x2 plus 0.4 by x3 plus 0.7 by x4, and set B is equal to 0.2 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus 0.8 by x3 plus 0.9 by x4. We can see here that the gradation of all the points in set A are less than the respective gradations of all the points in set B, as mu A of X is less than or equal to mu B of X for every X belongs to X. We can say that A is subset of B. Let us see equality of fuzzy sets. The fuzzy set A and B are said to be equal if mu A at X is the same as mu b at x for every x belongs to x. If capital X is the set A, B, C, D and A and B are two discrete fuzzy sets defined on X such that A is equal to 0.2 by A plus 1 by B plus 0.4 by C plus 0.5 by D, then for equality set B should be the exactly same 0.2 by A plus 1 by B plus 0.4 by C plus 0.5 by D, which represents the equality of A and B. Now let us see the difference of fuzzy sets. Let A and B are two fuzzy sets defined on universal set capital X. Then the difference of fuzzy set A and B is denoted by A by B. It is also fuzzy set obtained by set A by B over X is equal to A intersection B bar over X for every X belongs to capital X, or A by B is equal to A intersection B bar. Similarly, let A and B are two fuzzy sets defined on the universal set X. Then the difference of fuzzy set B and A is denoted by B by A, and it is also a fuzzy set obtained by B by A over X is equal to B intersection A bar over X for every X belongs to X, or B by A is equal to B intersection A bar. I have referred this textbook. Thank you so much for watching this video.